Hi everybody, I'm Brad Streeter. This is my wife Christina. Our journey to pure health really started about 20 years ago. And to tell you a little bit more about how all of this kind of came together is my best friend and my favorite dream chaser, my wife Christina.
Hi everybody, yes, I'm Christina Streeter and I'm very honored to be here to share with you and to hopefully be able to help someone that's gone through what I've gone through and can be on the path to better health. And my journey started 19 years ago, and our youngest Jacob was born in 1996. And after his birth, I just started going through having a lot of pain, a lot of fatigue, never really felt good, just kind of put up with it, thinking it was kids and working full time. Well, that continued for 2 years, and in 1998, went to the doctor, and my doctor then referred me to a rheumatologist. And was diagnosed with lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Started me on a lot of different medications, and at that point Brad was saying, Christina, it's what's going in our body, it's just our environment, we just need to change our diet. And I was like, no, we don't need to change our diet. It's, I have chronic disease and I'll have it the rest of my life. So I just continued along with medications and never feeling good. In 2002, I went into the hospital. I was very sick. Was in there for a month. They didn't think I was going to make it. My organs were shutting down. But by the grace of God, I did pull through, and it's been a journey. Hasn't been an easy road. And so soon after that, they began me on intravenous treatments along with all my other medication I'm on. And so every 6 weeks, I go to the doctor and sit there in the office and with the intravenous medication. And it would last for 2 weeks. And then I was back to just not feeling good. During the time, Brad's saying, Christina, it's what's going in our bodies. We've got to change. And I would say, no, this is just my life. So I was on that route for 13 years. And finally, my body started rejecting the intravenous treatments. It was realizing that it was a foreign substance. And I just got more complex problems that started happening. Well, they wanted to try me on other intravenous medication. I said no, I just wanted to stay on the medications, just the oral medications, and see what happens. So I continued that path, still not feeling good. Last March 2016, my mom was diagnosed with cancer, and 3 months later she passed away. And it took my mom dying when I realized that Brad's been right all along. There is just something that we're not putting in our bodies, because too many people are dying of cancer. Too many people are being diagnosed with autoimmune diseases and are having chronic illnesses and not knowing what's wrong. So I began my research, and during that time researching, a friend of mine, Dr. Becky Hawk, introduced us to the Live Pure. We began our journey. I flooded my body and haven't looked back since. Within 2 months, I started weaning myself off 13 medications. I'm down to 1 now. And 3 weeks ago, went and had my comprehensive blood work done. Everything came back so good. My chemistry panel was good. Things were negative. They'd never been negative. My doctor said if she hadn't been treating me for these past 19 years, that she would never know that I've had an autoimmune disease. I also do a camp for people with disabilities, and I want to share this story with you because I've done this for 10 years, and every year, and it's a week-long camp, overnight camp, and every year I come back after the week and I'm in bed. I'm in bed for up to a month. And this year, coming back the day after camp, I was able to get up and have a normal day and continue on. So another, great joy.
It's always nice whenever you have a chance to get your best friend back and to have that same person right beside you and there's nothing that you can do. It really takes an awful lot out of you. And like Christina said, the journey that we've been on, that's taken us 19 years to get to this point, once you turn that corner, it's amazing to see the differences. And for all of the energy of a high school cheerleader to finally be back, I won't mention your age, but to be able to have that energy back and to have my wife back, you can't put a price on that. It's always nice to be in a situation where you've got an answer and you've got an option. And with Live Pure, we've been able to see that. It truly is people united, reaching everyone.